From Wish TV, Indiana's only statewide TV news network, this is a Storm Track 8 weather alert.
We begin tonight with Storm Track 8 and that weather alert. A wind advisory is in effect for most of the state. The severe threat has moved out after tornado sirens sounded through parts of central Indiana.
Chief Meteorologist Ashley Brown joining us now on a very busy Monday night across the area. Ashley.
All right. So we mentioned, all month long, this has been a very spring-like pattern, right? And today, spring-like weather. We had sunshine peeking through, which is a dangerous thing when you have warm conditions, and several warnings came out. A lot of those tornado warnings. So an active day that's gone now, but we still have the wind. We're hanging on to that wind of the forecast for you. As we look at radar right now, most of the activity out of here, but some scattered rain showers and gusty winds just hanging on. We look outside, visibility fairly low because light rain is still falling. And yes, there's some low-lying moisture out there as well. 53 degrees, feels like 53. Sustained winds coming in at 10 to 20 miles per hour with wind gusts even stronger. Now, we're going to keep the wind advisory around through 7 p.m. tonight. And even after that advisory comes to an end, we're still rather breezy tonight. So we're in the process of watching change in the atmosphere. The change is that rain and storms moving out, wind starting to die down a bit late tonight as that advisory comes to an end. And we still see winds gusting at 25 to 30 miles per hour throughout the overnight hours. But what's not changing here is the temperature trend. We're to keep temperatures in the 50s once again for us tomorrow. Now, this week will be an active week. We'll have rain chances. We'll have warm temperatures, near record temperatures. And by the end of the week, we could watch rain that could transition to snow. So after a day of change, that's what we're looking forward to. And we'll take a closer look at that in just a bit. But speaking of today's severe weather, the National Weather Service has to go out and do some surveying. There's been several reports of storm damage. Meteorologist Ryan Morris is here live now to talk about it.
Yeah, Ashley, quite the active day. Here's the storm tracker loop through the last 6 hours, and you can see all the warnings that were on the map. We had 10 severe thunderstorm warnings and 10 tornado warnings in the state of Indiana for today. And a couple storm reports to report. Kempton, Indiana had a 59-mile-an-hour wind gust. We've seen some wind gusts behind this initial line of showers and storms up there, but this one cell in particular, the National Weather Service Storm Survey Team is scheduled to go out Tuesday morning, northern Hancock County. This is the suspected area of a potential tornado touchdown south and east of McCordsville. So they'll be doing that for tomorrow. Our average Indiana tornadoes by month, it's not often we see a lot of tornadoes in the month of February. The most tornadoes per month per year comes in the month of May. We'll see what that NWS Storm Survey Team finds.